Hello everyone, my name is Clara Quinquilla, I am segment manager, and today I'm here in the demo room in order to let you know a little bit more about eyewear. But the first thing that you need to know about eyewear is that there are many typologies of frames within eyewear, but today we're going to be seeing a few use cases covering mostly prescription eyewear frames and also one ski goggles. But the first question that should come to your mind when we are talking about eyewear is, Clara, why does it make sense to 3D print an eyewear device? And the first answer that I have for you is personalization. And this is because the great value that it brings to have a printed part that fits perfectly to the face morphology of the end users. And the perfect example for that is Smith goggles. By the way, I wanted to mention that Times Magazine recognized Smith goggles as one of the best inventions of 2022. Let's see why this application is so unique and so special. Basically, it's because how easy Smith made it for the end users. It only takes 3 steps to have these goggles. So in the first step, the final user gets to scan its own face with the mobile device. Then step 2, Smith prints the part, and step 3, they assemble the goggle and ship it to the final user. It's that easy. But the reasons why to go with MJF for eyewear goes beyond personalization. For eyewear manufacturers, it's really important, it is key to keep on innovating in their design, exploring new frames, new textures, new forms, new lattice design. And in most of the cases, all this innovation cannot be achieved with the traditional manufacturing method. That is why implementing MJF makes a real difference in this field. One case that is a good proof of concept for using MJF for achieving new innovative design is the case of Leak Eyewear. So thanks to using MJF, they were able to unlock unique textures, lattice design to their frames, while also gaining post-processing freedom. This is because they are also using PA12 white, which is really useful whenever we want to reach new vibrant colors that really makes a difference. This is thanks to PA12 white in this case, but they also have production being made in PA12 regular. So we have been talking about personalization and also design freedom, but there are many reasons why to go with MJF for eyewear. And now I'm talking about sustainability reasons. There's 2 main pillars on sustainability, and the first one is the waste management that is linked to the optimization of material and also to the optimization of waste. And this is also impacting the energy consumption for printing the parts. And the second pillar, it is linked to the fact that now we are printing on demand. That means that there's no longer any need to have a physical inventory of eyewear frames. So before we finished, I wanted to bring to the table the case of Prison, which is a Korean eyewear manufacturer. And as you can see in the video, they are using MJF not only for achieving a cost reduction in the frames, but also they are accelerating the production of their customized eyewear frames. As you can see in the video, they get to customize every single piece of the frame, such as the bridge, the nose pads, and they're using also artificial intelligence tools to achieve this solution, and they are printed in PA12. So you can see more in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you want to know more about eyewear, MJF, or any other matter related to this, just reach out. Thank you.